Can fear be your ally? Machiavelli famously declared it safer to be feared than loved, not out of cruelty, but because fear is predictable. Think about your last heated argument. Emotions surged. Voices escalated, control slipped away. Yet, Machiavelli understood that controlled calm is not weakness. It's a subtle power that shifts the dynamics. In confrontation, the calmest person quietly holds leverage. Next time tension rises, don't resist fear, redirect it. Embrace silence. Listen intently. Your calmness becomes a source of quiet strength, transforming chaos into clarity. Fear controlled is power multiplied. The mask of control. Machiavelli insisted, everyone sees what you appear to be. Few experience what you really are. In confrontations, appearances dominate reality. Imagine two colleagues arguing, one shouts. The other remains silent, composed, inscrutable. Who instantly seems more in control? The calm one. Emotional reaction gives away your power, while controlled silence conceals it. Next time conflict sparks, visualize wearing Machiavelli's mask of calm control. Refuse the impulse to defend immediately. Wait, breathe, then respond strategically. Your silence isn't submission, it's authority quietly waiting. Silence speaks loudest when control matters most. Why truth triggers rage? You tell someone the truth and suddenly they explode. Why? Because Machiavelli knew that people rarely react to lies. They rage at truths that threaten their identity or comfort. Even today, it's not deception that derails conversations, it's unfiltered reality. Hard truths land like punches if delivered without emotional cushion. The key: wrap truth in calm. Start with understanding, not attack. Say, here's what I'm noticing, not you always. A softened truth lands better and lasts longer. Predict the explosion. Machiavelli stressed preparation above all else, claiming that surprise is the enemy of control. Consider the last argument that threw you off balance, likely. You didn't see it coming. Yet confrontations are rarely truly unpredictable. People signal frustration long before they snap. Every confrontation leaves clues beforehand. Ignore them and chaos follows. From now on, anticipate at least 3 objections or emotional triggers. Your counterpart might have. Pre-plan calm, concise responses to each. When conflict ignites, you'll respond, not react. Preparation transforms confrontation into choreography. The illusion of fairness. Machiavelli understood one harsh reality. Clearly, fairness doesn't govern confrontations, power does. Imagine 2 equally qualified employees competing for promotion. One stays calm under criticism. The other angrily demands fairness. Who appears more capable, composed, and thus powerful? Fairness is ideal. Reality is power-based perception. Next confrontation, accept early that fairness isn't guaranteed. Your task isn't to demand equal treatment, but to calmly shift the dynamic in your favor. Stay composed, steer calmly. By choosing calm, you're quietly resetting power, making fairness irrelevant. Calmness redefines fairness on your terms. Praise publicly, strike precisely. Have you ever praised someone who previously criticized you? Noticing confusion softened their hostility. Machiavelli taught that strategic praise could disarm opponents better than retaliation. Public acknowledgement catches rivals off guard, weakening their aggression. Remember, immediate retaliation feels satisfying but sabotages your long game. Next conflict, don't counterattack. Instead, publicly highlight a genuine strength of your critic. Later, if needed, calmly address grievances privately. They'll lower defenses, respect your composure, and you'll maintain leverage through controlled emotional intelligence. Praise publicly. Precision creates lasting advantage.